ourselves. I am Rowelyn Gocon and I am Hernando and we are the Math Measures.
So this video is very interesting and we are confident that you can learn something from it. So for this video, we are going to discuss the measure of central tendency, which are the mean, median, and mode. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
So hello once again. So now I will be introduce the measures of central tendency. So what measure of central tendency are? So the measure of central tendency are the statistical measure that represent the center or average value of a data set. So they provide insight into the typical or central value around each data points tend to cluster. The three main measure of central tendency are the mean, median, and the mode. So when we say the mean also known as the average, is calculated by summing up all the values in a data set and dividing the sum by the total number of values. So it is sensitive to extreme values and provides a balanced representation of the data. To calculate the mean, so we will just follow the steps. So for the steps number one is add all the values in the data set. So like for example, we have the data set 5, 8, 12, 6, and 10. So what we have to do is we would add the 5, 8, 12, 6, and 10. So alright, so 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 6 plus 10 is equal to 41. So the second step will be count the total number of values in the data set. So in our example, there are 5, 8, 12, 6, and 10. So there are 5 values. So in the third steps, divide the sum of the values by the total number of values. So in our example, we would divide the results, which is the 41, by the values, which is the 5 values, because which are the 5 values, because 5, 8, 12, 6, and 10. So there are 5 values. Alright, so if we would divide 41 divide 5, it should be 8.2. Alright, so the answer is 8.2. So therefore, the mean of the data set in 5, 8, 12, 6, and 10 is 8.12.
And now let's proceed to median. But what is median? Median represents the middle value for any group. It is the point at which half the data is more and half the data is less. Median helps to represent a large number of data points with a single data point. The median is the easiest statistical measure to calculate. For calculation of median, the data has to be arranged in ascending order. And then the middlemost data point represents the median of the data. But the calculation of the median depends on the number of data points. For an odd number of data, the median is the middlemost data. And for an even number of data, the median is the average of the two middle values. For example, the age of the members of a weekend poker team has been listed below. Find the median of the given set. So the solution here is, first, you need to arrange the data items in ascending order. And then, you need to count the number of observations. If the number of observations is odd, we will use the following formula. So the formula is median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So next step is we need to calculate the median using the formula. So in here, median is equal to, we have an n of 7. So n plus 1 or 7 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 8 over 2. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, or it is the fourth term. So in here, the fourth term is, right, it is 42. So in this problem, the median is 42. So another example. So here the problem is the marks scored by 12 students of a class are given by 40, 50, 60, 55, 70, 45, 60, 80, 65, 50, 82, and 58. So find the median marks of the given students. So the solution here is, first, we need to arrange the data in ascending order. So in arranging the data in ascending order, we have 40, 45, 50, 50, 55, 58, 60, 60, 65, 70, 80, and 82. So count the number of the data. So we need to count the data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have a 12 data. So in here, it is an even number. So the two middle value are 58 and 60. So therefore, we need to add the two middle value, which are the 58 and 60, and divided by 2. So median is equal to 58 plus 60 divided by 2 is equal to, yes, 118 divided by 2. So here the answer is 59. So the median in this problem is 59. So the next is the mode. So mode is the value that is repeatedly occurring in a given set. We can also say that the value or number in a dataset, which has a high frequency or appears more frequently, is called mode or modal value. So mode, it is the value that appears the most number of times. For example, in the given set of data, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. In this data, the mode of the dataset is 5, since it has appeared in the set twice. Another example is, in the given set of data, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, and 2. The mode of the dataset is 2, since it has appeared in the set thrice. Did you understand about mode? Okay.
And we hope that you've learned something from our video.
And don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye!